Let's learn a new Spanish adjective. Capaz. Capaz. Do you know the meaning of this? Let's find out. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today's Spanish word of the day is capaz. Capaz. This is a Spanish adjective and it means able, capable, and in some situations it can mean someone who dares to do something. Capaz works with feminine and masculine nouns. The plural form is capaces. Capaces. Now let's see a few examples using this adjective. Miguel es capaz de arreglar computadoras. Miguel es capaz de arreglar computadoras. Yo no soy capaz de mentir. Yo no soy capaz de mentir. Mis amigos son capaces de solucionar el problema. Mis amigos son capaces de solucionar el problema. ¿Cómo fuiste capaz de hacerme eso? ¿Cómo fuiste capaz de hacerme eso? No eres capaz. No eres capaz. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, if you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel on smlessons.com. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Leave more examples down below using capaz. Okay, thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!